Good morning to you guys again. Got 2.5 hours sleep, so feel good. We are going to that My Tech place. We've been there before. I'm really happy with this load. It's going to Ripon, California, and it's going to go through the house. So we're going to go home, and then Sunday, probably Monday night, we'll roll out like 4 a.m. So I'll be home tonight. I'm excited. Still had to take a 3-hour break because I'm probably going to have only 4 hours to drive since I drove 7 or 3.5. So I still have to take a 3-hour break. So we're going to go 30 minutes down the road. Strap the tarp, probably going to take about 2 hours. And then our next hour, we'll get something to eat. And probably update some YouTube videos and stuff like that. We'll do our 3 hours break over there since we did 7. So took a 7-hour break to get whatever we have. And I didn't look yet. I think about 3.5 hours back. And if we take another 3, then we're going to get probably like 9 hours, 10 hours back. So we're going to roll out here. And we'll see you guys in 30 minutes at My Tech. All right, you guys, we're here at My Tech. Been here before. I remember turning here because there's a My Tech building right here. But it's the second one. Hopefully there's nobody waiting. One truck. One needs to be loaded. We are good with this. Probably gonna get those pallets again, the trusses. We're getting it. Like I said, we have 2.5 hours, so they can take their time. They're probably on lunch. They're not loading him yet, and then they got this guy, and yeah, so it's gonna work out. So we'll see you guys later. You guys, here's the load. We had to use the 9-foot drop because of that, but looks pretty good. This is where the dip is, so that's why I didn't put a bungee right there. I like it there, and then come back up. It's always good. Pretty simple load. Always these loads, like here. All right, you guys, so we have another Central Oregon guy right here. We had the same exact load. Let me show you guys. Same exact load. So my load's doing pretty good. As you guys see, there's a dip right here. This is what I was talking about, putting the boards. I'll show you guys when we get there on Monday. But there's that V-board, that wooden V-board that's going to cross where the middle is. That keeps the tarp squared and causes it not to dip and balloon out. So we checked the straps. I just had to get it. I saw one balloon. We all know where the balloon is. It's right where it drops on that tier, that top one to the bottom. So we got a strap. You can tell right here. That's where it balloons. So I'm gonna put one more bungee up here. We should be good to go. We're about 5 hours from home. Should get there by 8 o'clock. Well, hello and good morning, everybody. It is Monday. It's 4:30. We're rolling out of here. We had a really good home time. We got about 6.5 hours to drive up to Ripon, California, get this delivered, and try to get a load that goes up towards the terminal. So looks like we're headed to the right direction this time. It's been about 2-3 weeks trying to get up to Central Oregon to get a new truck. Now the dash on this truck is turning dark at night. Right now it's working, but the last couple days the dash has been blank dark and you can't see nothing. So this truck wants to give up and it wants to be done. So hopefully we can get there pretty quick and get a new truck. Did a lot of cleaning when I was on home time, as you can see. I got a little mat back here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but no. I'll show you guys later. I got some cool stuff and to organize better in this truck, so I'll show you guys later on that. So we're gonna roll out of here. We got to get going. So we'll probably see you guys at Ripen. Man, I can't make this left turn. It's like the lady can't even see. Like, I can't make that left turn. How do you think I'll make that left turn? Oh, you bitch. What's up, everyone? We are here in Ripen, California. It's 11 o'clock. Perfect time. I hit a lot of traffic, but I detoured off on a couple accidents and saved me a lot of time. That's why I tell you guys, have Google and take the back roads. It actually saved me probably about an hour. We did get our next load. It's going through the terminal. So if there's a truck ready, we are going to the terminal. I have to call tomorrow morning and see if there's one ready. They're working on it. That's what Matt said. I called him just now. So we'll see. I called these guys about 15 minutes ago. They say take industry all the way down until you hit the last driveway and make a right. Set this one. Alright, you guys, this is the load. Did really good. Didn't really fix too much on this load. They're gonna take us over there. They're ready for us to go. Pretty excited, guys. I need to get a truck washed up before I go to the terminal. So my plan is to try and get the sheetrock load. And then there's a blue beacon. The last one, I think it's in Corning. Pretty sure. To where that TA is. We're gonna definitely get a truck wash. Doesn't matter how long we have to wait. We do need a truck wash pretty bad. I got a list of things. If I'm keeping this trailer, that needs to be fixed. You guys can see there's already been a couple of these that need new hooks. And then I want to inspect these and make sure they're all good and just write down which ones are pretty bad. More likely am going to keep this trailer because I will have a load on, but it doesn't really stop them. They have forks that can transfer a load to another trailer. I doubt they'll do it for me, but just want to do a full inspection on this truck, make sure, especially the trailer, since I'm going to keep it more likely. I want to make sure this trailer is 100%. All right. So you can see I squished the boxes a little bit. It's fine. Want this to hold. Ain't gonna hurt it. Did one on each of these. I murdered this box, but see, it's fine. And these are when these boards are really good for these kind of loads. So you got a little bridge for the tarp to rest on. Kind of want it closer together. I should have put it maybe more this way, but it's all good. Did its job. I broke that one. That one's toasted. What I'm gonna try to do is salvage this. Maybe use a 4-footer. I don't know how bad they are. It's cracked all the way, then never mind. And this one's broken. Alright, you guys, looks like they're gonna get 2 of us to unload, so let me put my D part in pretty quick. So go home, arrive, send, deliver load, REC, no damage, today's date,
say a command.
What the fuel is? We're at 421-701. Done. Sent. Yeah, they got 2 guys. So our next load is the one in Antioch. Spokane. I gotta see how far this is. I have it saved. What's it called? Georgia Pacific. Georgia. I need to write these down. Antioch. Love it when they come fast. Give my baby a truck wash. All right, we're gonna get out of here, guys, pretty quick. They only got 6. They got 3 forklift drivers. I love this place. Let's go get the paperwork. Look at my truck. I went right through. Should be okay. I love it. Fast. I love when you guys do that. You need a pen? Oh, here. Go. Yeah, sign and date.
¿Qué día estamos hoy? 26.
Thank you. What's up, everyone? We're here in Antioch, California to get some sheetrock. Going to Spokane, Washington. Definitely going to the terminal. I'll have an answer by Tuesday morning. When I call. Hopefully, the truck is ready. I think worst case, if not, I'd go to Spokane and come back down. But we'll see. It's getting close. Might have to wait at the terminal for a day. I don't know. We only have about 3.5 hours to drive. We're gonna get this load, get it strapped to tarp pretty quickly, and then try and get it shut down somewhere around Corning. There's that blue beacon. I want to kind of make it near there. I don't know how far it is, but I gotta try and get near it. I want to stay the night right there where the truck wash is, because then I can PC like across the street to it. There's a Love's right across the street. I don't know if I can make it. Oh my God, there's tons of curtain pushers here. Are you serious? Well, it looks like we're gonna be here for a while, guys. Jeez. What is this? Man, there's about 15 trucks here, guys. I might have to shut down here for the night. So, alright, well, I'll be here for a long time. There's this whole row here, a whole row back there, truck behind me. What's going on today? What do you have, 15 trucks? I've never seen this in a long time. Wow, this is crazy.
Good luck.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here all day. All right, thank you. You? Look at all these trucks. Shit. Yeah, all right, thank you. You guys, we're making this pretty quick. I want to get out of here. You guys are all up in here, aren't you?
Huh?
You guys have a lot of drivers here.
We got 380 trucks.
Really? You guys come out this far?
Huh?
You guys come out this far?
Fucking, we're only 30 miles from here.
Oh, you're in Cali, huh? Dixon.
California.
I don't see you
Looks
guys.
like it says Georgia.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna say.
No.
I've been here a lot. I haven't seen you guys too much in here.
I've been coming in here for 9 years.
Where are you headed to? Where? Oh, so am I. Going to the terminal, get a new truck.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Huh? What do you mean? Height?
Longer.
You got mixed stuff. Height-wise, it's the same. But yeah, you have a 53. It'll make it seem.
That's my team. It's pretty long.
Yeah, a little longer than yours. These are the ones you have.
Yeah. These three?
Huh?
Every 4 feet, right?
What? Strap?
Yeah.
I don't fucking listen to that. Wherever I need.
I got some of the stupid ass pictures in there.
Fuck that. Fuck that noise. When I started, I didn't even send it in. I said, suck it. I've been doing too long. Yeah. No, I had experience when I first came here, and I gave them 1 week, and that was it. That's it. You got it? You need help or what?
I got it.
Sure? All right.
I'm doing a lot of walking right now. Yesterday I knocked it out. I fucking just threw them over like they're fucking. I think
I know.
watching your videos.
Yeah, they're easy. Just throw.
You gonna watch your video?
There's no thinking in it.
Not really. A little bit.
Huh?
Sounds like that?
What? The tarps?
Yeah.
It's fine.
But can I move? I can sound like you are?
No, but I'm doing it quickly. 'Cause they yell at me. I'll have it done. You gotta be quick. By the time they come out, I'll be gone. See, nobody saw anything. All right, you guys. Put 3 right here in the front. Just kind of 2 in the front, 1 in here. That one's got 4, so we put 4. That's holding that down. 3 coming down on that one, and 4. Pretty simple load. It's gonna suck to tarp this, but we'll make it do. So we're gonna try to do see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 22, 26. So about right here is that front tarp. We got to get it to right here to hold it down, and then vice versa. When we fold this out, I don't know. Let me see, actually. It may need to rest. It's gonna be a bad tarp job. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. About like right here is gonna rest. So it's not gonna rest fully on that. So that's fine, because this is the one that's gonna look pretty. So we're gonna bungee this up, just checking the straps, making sure, and then we're gonna tarp it, and we'll show you guys what it looks like. What's up, everyone? We're here in Corning, California. We are going to park at the TA. I was thinking about going over here to Love's, go to Jack in the Box, but go to the TA. This is guaranteed parking here, guys. You'll never, ever, 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 unless the freeway is closed, do not find parking. The Petro and TA are always half full. And the Love's, I don't know if it ever fills up. I don't think it does. So, it's one spot that you'll never have an issue with parking. I'm planning to just go to the McDonald's. That's my plan. So, that's why I'm parking here. Let's turn in here. You guys will see. This is the only TA that has an Arby's, and it sucks. I wish it was Popeyes. It is what it is. Come on, buddy, let's go. Guys, I'll show you this parking lot. Look at this. It's 8 o'clock. You can do parking back in here. You can, I don't know, you can do everything you want here. This is just like Wheeler Ridge with the Petro TA. I like it here because nobody will really park next to you. So, kind of get peace and quiet. I'm tired. I'm gonna park over here by the light. I could park way back there, but I'm gonna walk to McDonald's, so you'll see I'll park right here, still away from everybody. There's what, 5 parking spots right here? Let's go eat. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. We are here at Corning, California. We're here at the Blue Beacon getting the baby wash. It might be my last day with her, so we'll see. I got to call Central Oregon here probably in the next 15 more minutes, probably 30 minutes. I'll let them get in the office and see if there's a truck available for me. I hope so. Like I said, if not, they're probably going to send me to get this load dropped off and then head right back down is probably going to be the plan. So we will see. I hope so. We got 2 other Central Oregon guys here last night. One parked by me. We were all at the GP sheetrock place. So I think we're going to convoy at least the guy next to me. The third guy took forever, and he paused my channel, but he got there pretty late. So I couldn't help him. You know, I was going to, but already showered. I got something to eat. He didn't get there till 10. The guy next to me got about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and then I got there at 8. So we're all probably all going to Washington. So the guy next to me said he's going to do leave at 7. So we might convoy up to the terminal together because that's where he's going to. So we'll see. But we'll get this truck washed and we'll start heading up to Redmond.